Hey, what is up guys, my name is Kushal and here I am with a new video, and this video will be an unboxing video. In this video I'm gonna unbox the XR smartphone, which is by Amazon itself, and I'm gonna give a quick overview about the device. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So I got my hands on the Amazon official smartphone, aka XR brand, and the model number of this device is XRE. The variant I brought is 3GB 32GB. There is a 4GB 64GB variant also, but right now I got the 3GB one. So I got this yesterday from Amazon and I was too excited about it, so I thought why not to share the excitement with you guys and give a proper unboxing and overview about this device. Talking about the box, you get their XRE branding almost everywhere and on every side, except the back side. So on the back side you will get to see the price tagging, which is 9,999, also the SAR value. And here you will see a quick specification of the phone, like the processor, battery, fingerprint sensor, camera and the Android version. So enough of the box, let's open it up and see how it feels in hand and what you get along with the device. Okay, as you can see, I opened the box and the first thing you get is the device itself. For now, let's keep it aside and see what else we get here. After the device, you'll get a quick start guide, which I don't think anyone's gonna read it. After that, you get a SIM ejector tool, which is great. And we also get a micro USB charging cable, and the quality of the cable is good though. So let's keep it aside too, and the last thing you get is the wall adapter. Cause it's not a fast charger, and I'm sure you're not expecting it to be a fast charger, right? Because you're already getting more than what you're paying for, and the rating of the charger is 5V 2A. So first you get the box, and inside the box you get the device itself, a micro USB cable, a good quality charging adapter, and lastly the SIM ejector. So now let me get the device on the camera. So talking about the front side, you get a 5MP shooter with a selfie flash with it, and there is no hardware button under the screen. On the right side you get the volume rockers and the power button, which is inverted as compared to the other phones. On the upper side you get the 3.5mm headphone jack, on the left side you get the SIM and the micro SD card slot, and here you will get your speaker drills and the micro USB port along with the mic. And now let the booting process begin. Talking about the hardware, this device is packed with a Snapdragon 430 processor and the GPU is Adreno 505, which is a balanced processor. Although you can do heavy gaming with it and there will be no issue. Coming to the memory, you get 3GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, and it comes with a 5.5-inch display, 13MP of back camera, 5MP of front camera, along with a selfie flash. The fingerprint sensor is present at the back side of the phone, and is packed with a 4000 mAh battery, which should last for a whole day depending on your usage. And lastly, it's powered by Android Nougat. So as you can see, it's booted up, and let's set things up first. And here the strange thing is, you can skip the Google account login, but you can't bypass the Amazon login. So now, as the device is all set up and ready to use, let me show you the Android version. As you can see, it's 7.1.1 Nougat, and yeah, you'll also get an update out of the box, which is a security patch of January. And it's pure stock Android, there is not much bloatware except the Amazon app itself, which you can uninstall. So as it's an unboxing and overview video, I told you pretty much everything about this device. If you want me to do a detailed review, then let me know in the comment section and I'll do it after using this device a couple of days. So that was pretty much of the unboxing. I hope you liked this video, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys later on.